Hello everyone and welcome back again to Learnnow, your learning partner. While you are working on the spreadsheet on some important formula, and for some correction you have done the undo and then you realize you need to have that same formula, do you know how to move forward at Excel? If not, let's jump to our Excel sheet. Friends, many of you people are aware about the Excel function called Control-Z. The Control-Z is nothing but undo. But many of you are not aware how to go forward in Excel sheet. For example, I will quickly add one column over here and just assume that this monthly salary. And now, I had used Control-Z function, but then you realize that I need to go forward. Many people will again do the same work by adding the column and making the formula. This is just a small formula. But assume if you are working for an organization and there were many formula and you just go backward, then you realize that I want to move forward. Now you have been stuck, that you won't remember the formula. So here is a very helpful function from Microsoft Excel that you can use Control-Y, and in this way you can get your own data. Isn't it very helpful formula? Let's move to our other example. If you get some task from your manager on Excel sheet, instead of working on the same Excel sheet which has been provided by the manager, you want to work on the new sheet. So you can just press Ctrl-A to select the entire sheet and then just copy it by using Ctrl-C. And then by your keyboard shortcut Ctrl-N to open the new worksheet. As you can see, the new worksheet is open on the screen. So you can just paste it over here by using Ctrl-V. In this way you can start your work on new spreadsheet. I'll see you again in next video. Do subscribe to keep learning amazing shortcuts from Learnnow.